Now I want to create a gauge and a feeder on top. I want to start from create a sketch. It's better if you connect with the edge, because if we connect with the edge, if we want to change distance between filling system and board, it change automatic. Also gauge, I want to have it parallel, and here I want to have it parallel. I want to have it 52. It's too big. 45. And here about 20. It's enough. And also I want to have it in angle. This in angle. And distance from this point, and same distance. If we want to have a distance from, can move 1 minute. I can move this area. Yeah. With this point, we set that. It looks good. Sketch, and we can direction, make direction in this direction. I want to have it one line. Now we go bottom. This ox, we can say this direction. 5 we say distance 100 we say 2. Here 100. We go more, because we can change this distance if we see if it's not enough for filling with the metal all piece when we make a simulation. Only 2, but here we say we can test simulation with that. We can make same line, and here we can delete this, and we can because when we have it, we need to move this. Now we can have it here. If we go in this in middle, when you go in middle, when you pause middle, it's going this line. When it's you, yeah. Now it's okay. We can make extrude. I want to measure first, it's 5, I think, yeah, it's 5. We can say extrude. The sketch, extrude. We change direction, we say angle, and we say 5. We can extrude more because we machine it. But we go in same sketch, or we can go in same sketch, or we can go here in corner. We can make a chamfer with a distance. We go asymmetric, and we change. You can go like that. You can see better, control better. We go 1.5. No, it's not working. Here it works because we have a line, and here it works if we go a chamfer, and we go same, and we go asymmetric, fun, or 5 we go here, and here we go 20. We are making the chamfer because I don't want to have it shrink it here. Also, this is not for in part, but it's better to move shrink it out. And also, when metal it's go faster if it's like that. In same should be in this area here, but I want to fix. And here it's same. But we go more because we are in angle here. 25. I think we need more to move, but we can measure from here, from this corner, and have it correct. From this corner we can measure and have correct this corner, this point here. There we have a 46. We can go in 40. We can go and change. We can say like that. And also I think it's better also same here, where because we can't make it here because we have a line, and when we want to make a chamfer, software don't know in which it's all the line here. But if we have it a little up, we can make it chamfer like in backside. See, now it looks good. Or we can go in sketch and say extrude. With a draft, it looks good because we machine this area, and also we machine this this area. Now we can make also here in same times. We can go so we can change again. It's not good because it's a distance between. I want to see here. It's control. There goes same. We have direction. We need to change here should be 25 and here 5. Like that. Also we need to make a feeder in top. We have it 100. And it's good to have a distance from here to here about 5. And I want to have it in middle. We can connect from middle. We can go in find a point. This should be active and extrude. It's done with a draft. If we have it like that, we have a problem in this area because we have more metal in this area, and we have a problem here for a shrinkage. But we need to have it also to shrink it out. If you want to shrink it, we need to have it metal. We can say extrude. We can only here and extrude. Then we can say up to face or up to surface. We can click surface and draft, and we have a draft. It looks good, but we want to have it perfect. We can change the sketch. We can fix like that. Here I want to have it 10. Not this, but this I want to have it 25. We go 35. We go mirror, sketch mirror in this line, and we can delete this area like that, because I don't want to have the same material same material here, because I want to move out more material for shrinkage. It looks good, but I want to have it more metal here. I want to move face. But not in all from here, but I want to have it material only. I want to have only from here material. I want to delete this move face. And I can move connect and say extrude. we have it in angle. Now we are ready to make simulation, and now if you want to after fill, we can after fill it here. But one thing more, because when we have a mold, we can't have it like that. I want to delete cut from here. And extrude cut. We go both, and we can see here it's not cut at all, but we can hit them, and we can move face and move face. Say move face, move face. Not this, because we have it. We cut it here, and we can only. Well, that now we have. Now it's correct. Now it's one way how to start for a simulation, and we can start it and see if it's okay, and if we have a problem with the shrink it, or if we have a problem with the Pura. But also for shrink it, well, I want to compare something. If we go thickness, like before, when I start this course and I explain for thickness analysis. Now it's close to complete. There you can see the thickness analysis. Yes, we have a shrink it here, but we need to drill this hole, and you can see shrink it, but it moves shrink it when it's start to shrink it, it move here. This point we don't have a problem here, and also we don't have a problem in this area because it moved from here, it move here, shrink it here. Now it looks perfect.